Hello, I'm Dr. Rahul Bharad. Today is 29th of December 2022 and I'll be discussing what life has taught me yesterday on 28th of December. This year is ending. We all are coming to the very end of this year, and whatever feelings we had in the last year, whatever plans we had in the last year, how we are going to shape new year is the question in everybody's mind. Please plan your next year well. Please plan your next year better than the previous year. That's what I would like to say. Yesterday was a routine hospital work for me. It was wonderful to work in a team effort. Saving lives is a very tough job, but it gives that much pleasure also to all the doctors. So I'm happy that I'm working in a hospital and I can contribute to someone's health in a better way. These are small lessons every day I get from my patients. The more efforts you put to save a baby's life, the more satisfaction you get from that patient and from that activity, I can say. I went home after the work yesterday. Yesterday one of my relative had come. She's just 3-4 year old girl. She's my son's cousin. She played very well with my son. She was very happy to get introduced to my son, and they were like enjoying playing with each other. How children behave with each other is a very wonderful thing to look at. How do they behave? How do they react to each others? She was teaching my son some activities what she was good at. My son was introducing all his toys and other things also to her. These things do matter. Children, they feel very secured. My son is very active amongst the colony children all the time, but he was introducing his friends to her as she was new to them, and just to experience that incidents, how children introduce their friends to each other, was a very pleasing for me as a parent. It was very nice experience. That's what I wanted to share with you people. Learnings from yesterday's small incidences. Incidents, I would say I learned a lesson. To be with new friends also, it is very interesting. To intermingle with other people also, even if you don't know, is a very new and good experience, I can say. From today on the same series, I am starting something new, just to add some more information also in these videos. Whatever day we have spent yesterday, I'll be going through many news items yesterday, whatever happened in the world, India and around us, and whatever news that I felt is important for all of us to know. I would be sharing that news with you people, and I'll be sharing that news description in news link in my description box. So one news which took out my my attention was that Lokayukt bill was passed yesterday by Maharashtra Assembly, which is very good thing. Maharashtra has become the first state in India to pass Lokayukt bill. So it was passed yesterday, and the link, if you want to read about this news of yesterday, I would be sharing that link in the description box. So this is something new I am trying to add in these videos, so that these videos don't get monotonous and you get also some information about the whatever happened yesterday, important things around us in these channels. So for today we shall stop. Thank you.